Hello everyone, and welcome back to Coin World Explorer. If you love discovering the hidden stories and values behind everyday coins, you're in the right place. Today's video is extra special because we're exploring a classic British coin that many people overlook, the 1984 United Kingdom 50 pence coin. You might be surprised to learn that this coin, which once bought everyday items in the UK, now carries a collector value of around $1.14. So stay with me till the end, because we're covering history, design, specifications, value, collector tips, and why this coin still matters today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a coin discovery. The 50 pence coin, often called the 50p, is one of the most recognizable coins in the United Kingdom. The 1984 version belongs to the modern decimal coinage system, which the UK introduced in 1971. This coin was issued by the Royal Mint, circulated widely across the UK, used daily by millions of people. Even though it's a circulation coin, its age and condition now make it interesting to collectors worldwide, including right here in the United States. Let's start with the front side, also known as the Obverse. On the Obverse, you'll see a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Key details. Designed by Arl Mackin, shows a young profile of the Queen, wearing a tiara, facing right. Around the edge, you'll find a Latin inscription that translates to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. This portrait is iconic and was used on British coins for many years, making it instantly recognizable. Now let's flip the coin over to the reverse side, where the real symbolism shines. The reverse features Britannia, the female personification of Britain. Design elements. Britannia seated, holding a trident, naval power, holding a shield with a Union Jack, surrounded by a clean, bold background. This design represents strength, stability, maritime history, national pride. The 50 pence denomination is clearly displayed, making it easy to identify. Here are the technical details collectors care about. Country, United Kingdom. Year, 1984. Denomination, 50 pence. Material, copper nickel. Shape, heptagonal, 7 sides. Weight, 13.5 grams. Diameter, about 30 millimeters. Edge plain. Mint, royal mint. That unique 7-sided shape is one of the reasons the 50p coin is so famous around the world. Now let's answer the big question. How much is a 1984 UK 50 pence coin worth today? On average, circulated condition, around $1.14. Uncirculated or brilliant condition can be worth more to collectors. Mint sets or exceptional condition, higher premiums possible. Important note, this is a collector value, not face value. Coin prices can change based on condition, demand, market trends, collector interest. You might be wondering, why collect a common coin? Here's why collectors love it. Represents classic British coinage. Features Queen Elizabeth II, part of long-running Britannia series. Affordable entry coin for beginners. Historical value from the 1980s. For new collectors, this coin is a great starting point because it's affordable yet meaningful. If you own or want to buy this coin, here's some tips. Look for sharp details. Avoid heavy scratches or corrosion. Store in a coin holder or capsule. Never clean the coin, it reduces value. Compare prices before buying or selling. Small condition differences can make a big difference in value. The 1984 United Kingdom 50 pence coin may look ordinary, but it carries history, national symbolism, collector value, global appeal. At around $1.14, it proves that even everyday coins can become treasures over time. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Coin World Explorer, and comment below. Do you own this coin, or would you like one in your collection? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next coin exploration.